Jai Hind everyone. In our previous video, we have solved the try these of question number of page number 254 and 255. In this video, we will solve the try these of page number 256. So let's begin. The first question is that we have to put these questions, okay, like if the form is a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m, we have to convert it into a into b raised to the power m. As we know that when the powers are same, then bases are multiplied. We have to actually use that property. The first question is 4 cube into 2 cube. As you can see here, the exponents are same. So when exponents are same, then the bases are multiplied. So it can be written as 4 into 2 raised to the power 3. 4 2s are 8 raised to the power 3. Okay, this will be our answer. If you want, you can solve it again. Like 8 can be written as 2 cube raised to the power 3. Okay. Now, what will we do? We will multiply these exponents because a power m power n is actually a raised to the power m into n. So, it can be written as 2 raised to the power 9. But since in this question, it is only asking us to write in this form, so we will stop our solution here. Okay? But you can further solve it. Third question, a square into t square. Here the same exponents are 2. We do not need to write this, actually I just wrote it for notation. So it will be what? A into t raised to the power 2, that is at raised to the power 2. Easy? Let's come to the fifth one. In fifth one, it is minus 2 raised to the power 4 into minus 3 raised to the power 4. Here the same exponents are 4. So bases will be multiplied. It will be minus 2 into minus 3 raised to the power 4. When you multiply minus 2 and minus 3, what do you get? We will solve here now. When you multiply minus 2 and minus 3, what you get? Minus into minus gives us plus, and 2 3s are 6. So answer will be 6 raised to the power 4. Okay? I hope you have understood. I am explaining again. Minus 2 into minus 3, when we multiply, 2 3s are 6, minus and minus, plus. So the answer will be plus 6 square. Now let's come to the try these again. I guess this is page number 207. Okay. So the first question is, I guess it is 257 or 2, yeah, exactly it is 257. First one is on page number 257. We have to now use this property. A divide, we know that when the powers are same and it is in division form, then when the way it is multiplied, in the same way it will be divided. Okay? In the case of multiplication, we will multiply the bases. In the case of division, we will divide the bases. So, first question is 4 raised to the power 5 divided by 3 raised to the power 5. So it can be written as, here the bases are, exponents are same, 5. Bases are different and these are what? Divided. So we can write it what? 4 upon 3 raised to the power 5. Just this is our answer. Let's come to the third one. minus 2 power 3 divided by b raised to the power 3. In this question, how we will solve? In the same way we did the first question. We can write it as minus 2 upon b raised to the power 3. Easy. Nothing else you have to do in these questions. Fifth question is 5 raised to the power 6 divided by minus 2 raised to the power 6. So it can be written as 5 upon minus 2 raised to the power 6. But we know that we do not write the negative sign in denominator usually in our result. So when we multiply the numerator and denominator by minus 1, then what we get? Minus 5 by 2 raised to the power 6. So this will be our answer. I hope that you have understood the solutions. Just if you remember the properties, okay, the video that I have made on properties, watch that video very carefully, and if you have understood all the properties of the exponents and power, then it won't give you any trouble in solving any question. So I request you that go watch that video and learn all the properties of exponents. Then no question will be any problem for you. So in this try these, we have discussed two properties, that when the exponents are same, then if bases are multiplied, then the numbers are multiplied in result. When bases are divided, then the numbers are divided in result. Okay, raised to the same exponent. So this is for all this video. We will discuss the exercise 13.2 in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, Jai Hind.